Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today to see what I am up to. And today I have a heavy AIA beauty bundle, and this is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. Oreo just popped down because she's being a pain. I need you to go lay down. Sit. Come on, sit. You can stay there and wait for Mama. A little bit about this box. Like I said, the AIA stands for American Influencer Awards. Please excuse the voice. I don't know why. It's I think it's the high heat today, and I think the humidity and the air index is poor, so allergies affect my throat horribly. This is a bi-monthly box. US shipping is free. It's $34 bi-monthly, and this is a beauty bundle giving you access to influencers, brands, and products. So this is like a whole box brand. Like everything in the box is one brand. We've gotten Manic Kadar, Guy Tang. I can't even remember half the companies we've gotten. You get 5 to 6 full-size beauty products, which can be makeup, skincare, hair care. They need to chill on the hair care, as far as I'm concerned. Every bundle is valued at over $100, and they donate $1 for each bundle purchased. And this is the August-September bundle. And of course, my eye is very teary today when all that. I have a giveaway box to mail, but today and tomorrow we are temperatures at 100 and the heat index is so high. I'm not going out to the post office, and I don't want that box to sit in a truck and ruin anything in it. So I'm going to hold off a few days before I mail that. Excuse me. So, once again, this is very heavy. I don't know if it gives me weight, but this box weighs a ton. I think I would have to look it up. It came FedEx. Look it up on their site, but this is a heavy, heavy box. Yeah, so let's just open it and see what we have. Right here, I see a little sneak peek. Something fell out. Is there a card? Oh, yeah. The card's stuck to the top. So I guess the brand is CosmoSun by Cosmopolitan. And then here's the products, a little descriptive, and I do believe prices. They used to give prices. I don't see prices. Well, then I guess I will be looking these up. Oh no, are there prices? No. They used to have prices on here because I didn't have to used to look it up, but I will look it up. Oh my God, I'm so sorry for this voice. We'll save that. First thing I see right here is, do they really give descriptions? I don't think so. This is CosmoSun by Cosmopolitan, SPF 30 sunscreen, pina colada. Reef safe, water resistant for 80 minutes. That's a long time, which is nice. Oh, it is sealed, but I can still smell the pina colada through it. Now that to me is beach smell. Broad spectrum, anti-aging. Broad spectrum anti-aging, sun care. That's nice. This is 200 ml, 6.76 fluid ounces. And made in the USA. Good for 12 months. Interesting. To watch sunscreen, especially on my face. I will break out if I'm not careful. So, okay, that's one product. Let's see. It doesn't look like these cards are the same. Like, there's not a big, gigantic descriptive on each product. And we always did get pricing. So, still, you know, CosmoSun by Cosmopolitan. After Sun Moisturizer with Soothing Cucumber and Aloe. Same size as the first one. That's nice. Let's see if I can smell through. Yep, I can smell it through. That smells nice, too. Cucumber I can smell. So they're nice sizes, nice to have. It's a shame that it's end of summer. This would have been nice to get in the beginning of summer. This here is Sun Lotion with Shimmer, Ultra Glittering Instant Bronze Glow. all the same size, 200 ml, 6.76. I don't know if this, we have a scent. I don't smell really anything through this, but I guess that's like a tanner. Sun lotion with shimmer. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know if it tells us any of this. Lust-worthy, DHA-free bronzers and body shimmers, allows for a streak-free, stain-free bronzed result. So that's a little bit about that. What is this here? These are all the same size products. This is Liquid Sunshine Moisturizing Self-Tanning Water. Oh, that's nice. I'm interested to try that. I would assume that's why we got the mitt, because it says and plus free mitt. So that's always nice to get. And then the last item in here, okay, that is definitely Sunless Mousse with Instant Color. I don't know if this gives like a color, like, oh, and that is like a nice little pump. Let's see what the size of this is. All this 220 ml, so this is 7.44, so this is a bigger bottle of the Sunless Tanner. I do prefer, if I'm going to do that, I don't go out in the sun, to use a sunless, you know, like self-tanners and all that good stuff. I know chemicals are chemicals, and you really should be careful about all that stuff in general, I think. But I think this is a decent box. It's not my favorite, but I love things like that. Oh, well, that was a fail. Trying to show you everything without it spilling over. Let's try that one more time. I won't tilt it as far. Ooh, heavy. So that is everything in the box. But like I said, this would have been great to get in like May, April, May, even June. It's the end of August. It's mid-August. But you can still use self-tanner in the fall and the winter. That's probably the most ideal time to use it. I would use this all year round. I loved, it was Dr. Denise, excuse me. She made a self-tanner. It was clear. And she has a skincare company, makeup too, but more skincare. She's a scientist, an MD scientist. And her self-tanner had such great anti-aging components. It went on clear, but you could still, because it was, you could tell where you put it because it stayed wet for about 5 minutes, so you could see you didn't miss a spot, but that you could even use it on your face because it was skincare. And then she stopped making it. I loved her product. It gave you such a nice color tan that was natural, that didn't look fake. It didn't smell. You never got the orange look. And over time, it just wore off. So you didn't have to, like, yes, I would exfoliate after, you know, because, but I never really got patchy using that. So I'm curious about this brand. So this is, you know, I wanted to try, is it Mind Tan? It's one of those that I wanted to try, but they're kind of expensive. So I'll give this a shot and see. I always try on my legs first because that's the easiest to cover up if I need to. If it doesn't work out, I don't generally do like a patch test or anything like that, because to me that would be just like, oh, are you kidding me? So I'll try it out on my legs and see what I think before I would do anything on my arms. I don't put this kind of stuff on my face. I can take care of my face with makeup, with bronzer, things like that, unless it's specific for your face. Sometimes they have the wipes that you can use, the self-tanning wipes for your face, and they don't seem to lay as much color, which I just sometimes like a little hint. But like I said, you know, your face you can take care of. You know, do the neck down, you can take care of your face with makeup. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought about this box. I'm 50-50 on this. I like these types of products. I just wish they came earlier in the season and not towards the end of the summer. Especially because, you know, in another month, 2 months, the shorts will go away and I'll be in leggings and jeans. So you really won't see all that, and you're wearing more long sleeve. And but as long as this, I didn't even look at to see the shelf life of this stuff. 12 months, so it'll be good till next year. I won't hold on to it till next year though. I will try it. But I would, AIA, this would have been better in the beginning of the season, in my opinion. But like I said, let me know what you think of this one, and I appreciate all of you, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.